Welcome back. You're listening Tiki-Cooks TV, where you get all the feels and grooves with your food.
Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for your support thus far, and if you're just joining me, hello there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if free. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and most importantly, share with all of your wonderful friends, them your good up friends, them, because God love when you share. So today I'll be making some oven jerked barbecue wings. And if you want to see how I made this, then stick around to the end now. I have some nice things in there, you know, them easy grooves. And I'll also add the ingredients in the description below. So yeah, that's just about it. Let's get right into it. I don't want to toot my own arm, but it have a buzz. It have a buzz. Night. It's a rainy day in Georgia. We'll make that Jamaica, but welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, as you can see, I'm making some chicken wings. Oh, let me make this disclaimer before my fellow Jamaicans come for my head. This is not authentic Jamaican jerk. You won't get that jerk flavor. It's not done outside on the grill with a pimento wood or whatnot, but I'm calling it oven jerk because for most part I used jerk spices. So yeah, let's begin. And then I'm just gonna put it in the oven, bake it covered for about 20 minutes. You may need more depending on the amount of wings you have, or less if you have only 2 pieces. So yeah, I'm just gonna bake that covered, as I said, and get ready to make my sauce, which is nothing special, just some bottle things I put together. And yeah,